Welcome to channel, Effortless English for Kids. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Have you ever been to the United States?
Yes, I have been to the United States. No, I have never been to the United States.
Have you ever been to Paris?
Yes, I have been to Paris. No, I have never been to Paris.
Have you ever been to Ho Chi Minh City?
Yes, I have been to Ho Chi Minh City. No, I have never been to Ho Chi Minh City.
Have you ever had a cat?
Yes, I have had a cat. No, I have never had a cat.
Have you ever had a job?
Yes, I have had a job. No, I have never had a job.
Have you ever had a dream?
Yes, I have had a dream. No, I have never had a dream.
Have you ever eaten pizza?
Yes, I have eaten pizza. No, I have never eaten pizza.
Have you ever eaten hamburger?
Yes, I have eaten hamburger. No, I have never eaten hamburger.
Have you ever eaten sushi?
Yes, I have eaten sushi. No, I have never eaten sushi.
Have you ever drunk beer?
Yes, I have drunk beer. No, I have never drunk beer.
Have you ever drunk coffee?
Yes, I have drunk coffee. No, I have never drunk coffee.
Have you ever drunk milkshake?
Yes, I have drunk milkshake. No, I have never drunk milkshake.
Have you ever seen a rainbow?
Yes, I have seen a rainbow. No, I have never seen a rainbow.
Have you ever seen a shark?
Yes, I have seen a shark. No, I have never seen a shark.
Have you ever seen a helicopter?
Yes, I have seen a helicopter. No, I have never seen a helicopter.
Have you ever gone camping?
Yes, I have gone camping. No, I have never gone camping.
Have you ever gone fishing?
Yes, I have gone fishing. No, I have never gone fishing.
Have you ever gone shopping?
Yes, I have gone shopping. No, I have never gone shopping.
Have you ever played video game?
Yes, I have played video game. No, I have never played video game.
Have you ever played golf?
Yes, I have played golf. No, I have never played golf.
Have you ever played football?
Yes, I have played football. No, I have never played football.
Have you ever slept in a tent?
Yes, I have slept in a tent. No, I have never slept in a tent.
Have you ever slept in class?
Yes, I have slept in class. No, I have never slept in class.
Have you ever slept in your car?
Yes, I have slept in my car. No, I have never slept in my car.
Have you ever read a magazine?
Yes, I have read a magazine. No, I have never read a magazine.
Have you ever read a comic book?
Yes, I have read a comic book. No, I have never read a comic book.
Have you ever read a book?
Yes, I have read a book. No, I have never read a book.
Have you ever watched Frozen?
Yes, I have watched Frozen. No, I have never watched Frozen.
Have you ever watched a football game?
Yes, I have watched a football game. No, I have never watched a football game.
Have you ever watched TV?
Yes, I have watched TV. No, I have never watched TV.
Question of the day. Have you ever spoken English? Let me know in the comments below. Let your kid watch this video every day for at least 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye bye.